Hi guys, this is Utsa. Welcome back to my channel. So I am vlogging publicly today for the first time, and I am going to explore a Korean restaurant which is in Safdarjung Enclave. So let's see how it goes. And also I'm meeting one of my close friends. So yeah, I'm going to take you guys along. So yeah, let's go. Meet my friend रेनू. सो अभी हम जा रहे हैं कोरिस रेस्टोरेंट विच इज़ इन कहाँ पर है, सफदरजंग एनक्लेव में. एंड हम लोग हॉस्कास मेट्रो स्टेशन उतरे हैं येलो लाइन पे. एंड अब हमने ऑटो लिया है वहाँ के लिए विच इज़ कॉस्टिंग अराउंड 150 रुपीज़. सो लेट्स सी इज़ इट इवन वर्थ इट और नॉट. अगर वर्थ इट नहीं होगा तो हम इसको बोलेंगे बिकॉज इसका आइडिया है. ओके लेट्स गो.
Veg kimbap is like very tasty, and the
What
cheese,
is it like?
it's like a vegetarian roll with lots of different fillings in it.
Okay.
You know, a vegetarian sushi.
Okay.
Then there is cheese tteokbokki. It's like with cheese and rice cakes. You know, it's a bit spicier. Mandu is like Indian momos. And there's Shin Ramyeon and Japchae. You know, if like Shin Ramyeon you can get anywhere, but Japchaes are like very good.
Korean thing.
Yes, these are like glass noodles. These are different types of soups. Like if you are coming with your friends, like 4 or group, you can have this hot spot. And for rice, bibimbap is like very good.
We have tried this.
No. Bibimbap is like something nice. It has like
kimbap कुछ try किया था.
yes,
नाम बड़े similar है ना.
yes. And like if you are a non-vegetarian, you'll like katsu,
Okay.
chicken katsu. And these are like different kinds of snacks, you know, like just for munching. Yeah, and their caramel macchiato and hazelnut cafe latte. These are amazing. Yeah. For desserts, they have like Pori's sundae. This is like ice cream with fresh fruits. So it's like very
their
nice.
ice cream is different या फिर वही
No,
same
it's like
Delhi में मिलता है हमें?
yeah, same है. But you know, the fruits like strawberries, bananas, it's according to season. So you can get, you know, a new thing every time.
That's all.
Yes.
ये क्या है? रेनू हमें बताओ.
Caramel macchiato with extra caramel.
Look at this. ये रेनू के पिटारे में से निकला है. Will you please open this and show them ये क्या है? Okay, so she carries this utensils with herself. दिखा क्या क्या है. It has
A boba straw. It has a fork, a spoon, and these all are Korean style. This is a coffee straw. It has chopsticks and a brush to clean everything.
Okay, that's really impressive. And guys, it is in purple color. It has to be in purple color because we have a BTS fan over here. This hazelnut ice latte, but हमने इसको without straw order किया था because we have got a straw now. खोल दे straw मेरे को. Okay, so we have a straw now.
It is veggie gimbap. So it is like a vegetarian sushi roll with lots of vegetables, and this is kimchi and this is sesame soy sauce.
ये है japchae noodles.
Yeah, these are glass noodles because they are almost clear.
ये है cheese tteokbokki. And इसके साथ भी साइड डिश किमची है. And it is filled with lots of cheese. tteokbokki basically होती क्या है? बताना है
It's like rice cakes. It is made with rice and then with a sauce with some vegetables and lots of cheese.
Okay. What is this?
This is bibimbap. It is a rice dish. So this utensil, it's hot, and you know, it is rice and then lots of vegetables.
Like a
with some
burrito
sauce.
ball?
No. Like नीचे सिर्फ rice है, and then lots of vegetable. You need to mix it up and then eat.
नहीं, burrito bowl का भी यही चीज़ होता है कि नीचे बहुत सारी वेजिटेबल्स होती हैं, ऊपर बहुत सारी चीज़ें होती हैं. मैं तो खाती
Yeah.
हूँ. So somewhat like that, है ना? Hi guys, so अब हम आपको रिकमेंड करेंगे लाइक इफ़ यू आर कमिंग हियर देन व्हाट ऑल यू शुड ट्राई इन वेज एक्चुअली। आई एम सॉरी वी बोथ आर वेजिटेरियन, बट हाँ इसने तुम्हें कुछ नॉन वेज रिकमेंडेशन दी थी, सो यू कैन ट्राई दैट एज वेल। सो वी हैड किम्बाप, japchae, cheese tteokbokki and bibimbap. उसमें से what were your recommendation?
Like for me, like gimbap is like super tasty, and the japchae is like very different from the other places.
Japchae basically noodles थे and bibimbap is the sushi rolls.
Yeah.
और मेरे को ये चीज़ तबुकी बहुत अच्छी लगी। लाइक अगर तुम इंडियन हो एंड यू वांट टू ट्राई समथिंग तो तुम ये ज़रूर ट्राई करना, बिकॉज इट इज़ फुल ऑफ फ्लेवर्स, चीज़ है तो तुम्हें पसंद आ जाएगा। एंड मैंने ये जो तबुकी है ना पहले KCCI में ट्राई की हुई है, एंड देयर इट इज़ नॉट ईटेबल, लाइक वो बहुत बड़ा पीस होता है, बट हेयर इट इज़ ईटेबल, सो
Very bite size.
हाँ बहुत बाइट साइज़ है।
Yeah.
और हमें यहाँ का बिबिम्बाप ओकेश लगा, यू कैन
Yeah.
ट्राई इट, मे बी आप लोग को अच्छा लगे, बट टू मी एंड टू हर एज वेल, इसने तो इससे भी बढ़िया वाला खाया हुआ है।
Yeah, so like this is like okay, but bibimbap you can get better at other places.
So do try. Hi guys, now we are going back home and हमने खाना कुछ ज़्यादा ही ऑर्डर कर दिया था तो हमने पैक करा दिया है, because food wastage नहीं करनी चाहिए at the end. So that's all, and now we are going to metro station Green Park and the fare is about 40 rupees. So आप ग्रीन पार्क मेट्रो स्टेशन उतर के भी ऑटो रिक्शा ले सकते हो यहाँ के लिए। You can check the Google Maps for the complete address and all. I will mention the address for the restaurant. So yeah. So guys, that's it for today's vlog. I hope you guys like it, and if you did then you know the drill. Like, share and comment. We'll meet you next time with another video. Till then, toodles.